Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to buy a Shopify subscription or a Shopify plan using Easypaisa. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to just go into Shopify and then log in into your Shopify account and make sure that you select the correct store if you have multiple, of course, because then you should be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now what you're going to do on this page is to just simply click where it says settings right here. So click on settings, and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page. Now what you're going to do on this page is very simple. You're going to actually find where it says billing right here. So click on billing. And as you can see, you should now be taken here. We can click right here now where it says visit plan settings. So click here. And then we can, for example, click on choose plan right here. And then you should be taken to this page here where you can actually choose the exact plan that you want to be able to get. So as you can see, there is actually a lot of plans for us here to choose. But let's take this one as an example, basic right here, which I think is the most common, of course. So I'm just going to take this one. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So right now on this page, what you can do, as you can see, for me, it says payment method right here, credit or debit card, and also PayPal. I don't know why I don't have Easypaisa right here, but I think that it might be due to my location. I'm not sure why I don't have it as an option right here. For me, it's only credit or debit card or PayPal. But if you are in the correct location, then hopefully you will be able to see in here Easypaisa right here that you can click on. And if you are not able to actually click on right now, then it might be that the reason why you're not able to actually get Easypaisa as a payment method in here, maybe they haven't added it yet for you. It's not like, I'm not 100% sure why that is. But if you have this option right here where it says Easypaisa, you can click on it and then you can actually be able to check out using that. But basically, as of right now, unfortunately, I personally cannot do it. So I hope that you will be able to find it in here and then you will be able to, of course, use Easypaisa to purchase a Shopify subscription.